Hi everybody, welcome to today's transmission. This was a spontaneous transmission that came in overnight explaining the mergings that have been going on in the twin flame dynamic. There have been so many upgrades and mergings and shifts towards unification that we've been tracking over the last 6 months or so, and I will talk about those in another video. I want this to be just a short, light language and channeled message that you can receive now. For anyone that is ready to receive this, I would suggest listening over and over again. There are layers and layers in there, and it is the result of an accumulation of many shifts and upgrades. I'm going to share in a separate video some of the work that an amazing team of twin flames have been working together in our twin flame workshops. Very powerful beings who have been working with the collective energies, and we felt a surge of 100,000 twin flames reach the threshold where they're ready for union, and 100,000 twin flame angels coming in to guide them. In that workshop, we did a twin flame ring on the quantum level. So 100,000 twin flames received a quantum unification, which I'll speak about in the other video, and met their twin flame guides. So this is about a week and a half after that, as all of those codes ground through our twin flame group and into the earth grids, and how they show up on the ground in the 3D world. So this channel came through to explain the mechanics of it. If you don't understand what's being said in there, I'll summarize it at the end, and I'll also explain what comes up in your emotional releases on the ground that you can expect after receiving this. So during the channeled message, you can be receiving codes, even if I'm speaking in English, as I'm holding a high vibrational space, and those light codes are coming through the energy field itself. So to receive, just get yourself into a relaxed state, centered, grounded, open, and just allow the energy and the sounds to wash over you. Your body will receive what it's ready to receive, and then you can listen again as many times as you need to receive the next layers. So here we go. The flooded brainstem structures are indicating a vicissitude of the autonomic nerve fibers, which are incorporating streams of consciousness through flooded vessels and structures. As these are engulfed in high vibrational light codes, they are shifting and transforming to provide continuous regulated activity through these structures in a higher capacity, faster, stronger, purer, clearer, cleaner, and activated. This de-stresses, removes the stress of the receptors, the core parcels, and the transmitters. Akaya toya kai akai, akaya tia kaya toya oi, ashatia kaya to, atia kaya toa taya aya kia ai, ishatai oyo koi ai. The fight or flight mechanisms that were in resistance are now resolved and resolute. Akaya tia kai ishato. There is a fluidity of transference of information and light codes through the system in an amalgamated way. Aya tia kaya koi, ashatai ai, ashatai ai, ashatai ai. The interaction between the physical vessel of your twin flame and yourself are much more aligned, rhythmical, and in synchrony. Ayakaya koi ata iakai. Akia ai atoi ai. Ashakoi a. Ashia taya akayato. Akayato ashatia ai. As you remember the truth of your unity, there is the engulfing of the being through the unity codes, the unity consciousness, and the unity streams within you. You are always one. However, these streams of connectedness can fluctuate, and the fluctuations can affect your ability to co-create. These changes in your vessels now, as they synchronize more readily, are now forming structures within your brainstem and consciousness to enable continuous flow at a level you have not before encountered. This will indicate a timing mechanism that is in synchrony. Ayakia taya shokaya yi, shokaya yi, shokaya yi taya ai, ashokia taya ai, iatoi atoi atoi. Through these continuous streams of inflow and outflow that permeate through your synchronous vessels, you are creating jet streams around you that are permeating your reality and reshaping it in the form of your desired outcomes. You are together as one, co-creating this reality, and you will see it before your eyes. The reality of relating in an intimate physical way is always there as an option. The increased fluidity of your integrated systems is now enabling this to be realized with less resistance and less interference and increased capacity for longevity and permanency. There will be less push and pull experienced as this synchrony comes fully into functional reality. There will be new paths forming in front of you that are beyond your imaginings. So I hope you received some shifts and light codes from that. The emotional feelings that are pushed up as those high vibrational light codes come in, and they activate that synchrony and co-creation and cohesion between you down to the next level into your day-to-day living. You may notice tingling in your body over the next few days. You may feel a need to be still, a lack of motivation to move forward, a need to just be with these shifts and changes as you are transforming, in a sense, like a caterpillar in a chrysalis. And the more you can honour that, the more you can allow those transformations and synchronizations to happen faster and with more ease. So what might come up for you is anything that has been preventing that synchrony. So any resistances, any blockages, any negative feelings towards your twin flame in terms of ways that they don't meet up the mark, or that it feels difficult to connect or communicate or have any cohesive kind of relationship, anything that's creating the push and pull. So just allow those to come up. Don't take them on as truth. Take them on as inconsistencies that are now coming up to be seen on their way, shifting out of your field and out of your reality. And I will be posting more videos with more light codes in around this process that's led up to this point. So look in the description box for those. And also, if you subscribe, then you won't miss them. Blessings, everyone. See you next time.